Welcome, future digital nomads and aspiring online entrepreneurs. This is the beginning of an exciting journey where you'll learn how to transform your life by making money online. Imagine breaking free from the monotonous 9-to-5 grind and creating a lifestyle filled with freedom, flexibility, and financial independence. Throughout this video, an anonymous avatar will guide you, providing insights and tips to help you succeed. This faceless mentor will be your companion, sharing valuable knowledge and actionable steps. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on a path that could change your life forever. Your journey to online success starts here, and trust me, it's going to be an incredible ride. Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Let's make money online and change your life. Hey there, future online entrepreneur. Feeling stuck in the daily grind? Dreaming of a life with more freedom and flexibility? Who isn't, right? Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, working from anywhere in the world, and having the time to do what you love. Well, guess what? The internet is your oyster, my friend, and I'm here to show you how to make it rain. There are endless opportunities waiting for you online. We're diving deep into the world of online business, and trust me, it's way less intimidating than it sounds. With the right guidance, you can turn your passion into profit. Forget those get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about building something real, something sustainable, something that lets you kiss your boss goodbye. Figuratively, of course, unless you really want to. Imagine the satisfaction of handing in that resignation letter. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and get ready to unlock the secrets of online money-making. It's time to take control of your future. By the time you're done reading this, you'll be well on your way to building your own online empire. You'll have the knowledge and tools to succeed. Ready to ditch the cubicle and become your own boss? Let's do this. Your new journey starts now with TubeMagic, the AI tool that helps you ideate, script write, and optimize your appearance in search bars. Today's money-making method? Affiliate marketing. It's a game changer in the digital world. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Basically, you're like a digital matchmaker, connecting people with awesome products or services they'll love. It's all about making the right connections. You promote, they buy, you get a cut of the profit. Cha-ching. It's that simple and rewarding. Think of it like this. You're at a party and you see your friend looking for a new phone case. You know just the place to find it. You just so happen to know the perfect online store for that. It's all about having the right information at the right time. You whip out your phone, show them the site, and boom! They're impressed and ready to buy. They buy an awesome case, and you get a little something-something for the referral. It's a win-win situation. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Simple, effective, and profitable. The best part? You don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or any of that jazz. Just focus on promoting. Just find great products, promote them effectively, and watch the commissions roll in. Intrigued? I thought so. It's easier than you think. Let's break it down step by step. Ready to dive in? Let's get started on your journey to online riches. First things first, you gotta find your niche. This is just a fancy word for your area of focus. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? It could be anything from makeup and skincare to video games and cryptocurrency. The key is to choose something you genuinely enjoy, because trust me, it'll make the whole process a million times more fun and rewarding. Plus, when you're passionate about what you're promoting, your enthusiasm will shine through, and people will be more likely to trust your recommendations. Think of it like dating. You wouldn't just swipe right on anyone, right? You want someone who shares your interests, someone you actually enjoy spending time with. Your niche is no different. Once you've found your perfect match, it's time to move on to step 2. Now it's time to create some killer content. This is where you get to share your knowledge, passion, and unique voice with the world. And don't worry, you don't need to be Shakespeare to create engaging content. Think blog posts, videos, social media updates, anything that provides value to your audience and subtly guides them towards those sweet affiliate links. Remember, people are online to be entertained, informed, and inspired. So keep your content fun, informative, and engaging. Think about the questions your audience is asking and provide helpful answers. And don't forget to inject your personality into everything you create. People buy from people they like and connect with. Step 3. SEO, where the magic happens. Okay, so you've got your niche and your content. Now what? It's time to take things to the next level. It's time to sprinkle in some SEO magic. This is where the real transformation begins. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's basically the art of making your content visible on Google and other search engines. It's about getting your content in front of the right eyes. Think of it like this. You could have the most amazing bakery in the world, but if it's hidden down a dark alley, no one's going to find it, right? Visibility is key. SEO is like putting a giant neon sign above your bakery, making sure hungry customers can easily discover your delicious treats. It's about drawing attention and making your presence known. By using the right keywords, optimizing your website, and building backlinks, you can make sure your content ranks high in search results, driving traffic and potential customers to your affiliate links. It's a strategic approach to visibility. Don't worry, SEO isn't rocket science. It's a skill you can learn with practice and patience. There are tons of resources available online to help you master the basics. From tutorials to courses, the information is at your fingertips. Dive in and start optimizing. Step 4. Affiliate links, your money makers. All right, time for the fun part, adding your affiliate links. These are special links that track where a sale came from. So when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get credit for the sale and earn a commission. Where do you find these magical links? Most companies have affiliate programs you can join. Simply sign up, grab your unique link, and strategically sprinkle it throughout your content. But don't be spammy. Nobody likes a pushy salesperson. Instead, seamlessly integrate your links into your content, making sure it feels natural and helpful. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is to provide genuine value to your audience. If you focus on helping people find products and services they'll love, the money will follow. Your secret weapon for success. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually awesome products to promote? And how do I create YouTube engaging content that converts? Don't worry, my friend, I've got you covered. That's where TubeMagic comes in. TubeMagic is your secret weapon for affiliate marketing success through building a YouTube channel. It's like having a team of marketing experts in your back pocket, guiding you every step of the way. From ideating and writing your scripts, crafting high-converting copy to optimizing your content for maximum visibility, TubeMagic does it all. Trust me, if you're serious about making money online with affiliate marketing, TubeMagic is your unfair advantage. It's the shortcut you've been waiting for. Your path to online income. Let's recap, shall we? To build a thriving online business with affiliate marketing, you need to 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? 2. Create killer content, blog posts, videos, social media updates, etc. 3. Master SEO. Make sure your content is visible online. 4. Strategically place your affiliate links and watch the commissions roll in. See? It's not rocket science. With hard work, dedication, and a little help from TubeMagic, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. So, what are you waiting for? Scroll down and click on my affiliate link for TubeMagic, which you can subscribe to monthly or yearly, where you'll get the maximum value and a bunch of free courses only with the yearly subscription. And keep in your mind that this price is increasing soon. Ready, set, hustle! Your online empire awaits. The world of online business is waiting for you. Are you ready to take the leap? Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But trust me, the rewards are so worth it. Imagine waking up every day excited to work on your own terms, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. That's the power of online business, and it's all within your reach. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start building your online empire, and show the world what you're made of. You've got this.